Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with Hahm. First, ensure your Trust Wallet is installed and updated on your mobile device. You will also need to have the correct cryptocurrency, such as BNB or Ethereum, in your wallet to cover any transaction fees. This connection allows you to interact with Hahm features securely and efficiently. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application. Look for the Browser or dApps tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open the integrated dApp browser. Carefully type or paste the official Hahm website URL into the address bar and press Enter to load the platform. Always double-check the URL for security. Once the Hahm platform loads, find the Connect Wallet button, typically in the top right corner. Click it and choose Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect from the list of options. Your Trust Wallet will then prompt you to approve the connection. Review the details carefully, ensuring you are connecting to the legitimate Hahm platform, and then confirm the action. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet is now securely connected to Hahm. You can now explore all the platform's functionalities, such as trading, staking, or participating in governance. Remember to always review transaction details before confirming. For enhanced security, it is highly recommended to disconnect your wallet from the dApp once you have finished your session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.